So Matt, what's going on?
Well, we have a little announcement.
Hello, here I am in my hoodie, trying to stay warm up here as the breeze rips through, but I'll take that off. But Matt has got an announcement to make.
Yes.
So all right, come on in.
Hold on. Well, so a lot of people have asked for this for a while now.
You might have to.
I know.
Yeah.
Might have to. Anyway, a lot of people have asked this for a while now, and
What have they asked, Matt? What have they asked?
they've asked for merchandise.
Oh, they've asked for merchandise, have they?
Yes, and
heading right 210, liner runway
yes,
16
we're about
right
to we're about to venture into the merchandise area.
Are we really?
We are, but we're doing it a bit differently because
Okay.
we're Sid Squad,
Right.
and it's what we do here, Kurt.
Now, yeah, continue.
No,
I'm good.
no.
I'm good. We're
So,
listening. We're all listening.
Yeah,
we're all
listening.
tuned in.
Everyone's already excited. So I'll go on screen and I'll show you something. What I'm very excited to share. It's something
Just wait till you see this.
it's something that we've been working on since I think about May, June last year. But yeah, obviously a few little things have got in our way and things like that. But we're almost there. We're going to make the announcement today, but
Yes.
we've got a little bit longer to go, so people just need to hold off.
All right.
But here we go. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if
Yes.
you can see that on stream.
You can. It's a T-shirt, and it says Sid Squad. But hang on, what's going on under here?
And it says Little Wings.
Right. Okay. Little Wings.
Sid Squad Little Wings.
All right. Tell me what this is all about.
All right. So for those who don't know, Little Wings is an amazing charity in Australia.
Yes.
And what they do is they fly sick children from wherever they are in New South Wales or in Australia.
Yep.
And then fly them to a hospital.
Uh-huh.
So we have been proud supporters of those guys previously.
We have.
In our previous flight sim days
Yes.
and streams.
Yep.
Yeah, so check them out, Little Wings, if you haven't. But yeah, what they do is pretty much from the start of the child's procedure, and then they go all the way through. Doesn't matter if it's 2 years, 2 months, 5 years. They'll continue to support that
Now,
child.
Little Wings is an operation that's based out of Bankstown Airport
Correct,
down here
yes.
in Sydney, right?
Yes.
So they're flying. What type of aircraft are they flying?
Nigel, no, is it Barons?
Yeah, Baron
Yeah,
50
Beechcraft.
Beechcraft Baron 58s.
Baron aircraft.
Yeah,
And I've
there
just
you
put
go.
the Little Wings website just in the chat there if anyone wants to go and pay them a visit.
That's it.
Yeah. So okay. So what's the high level here? So we're gonna have merch available.
We're
Sid
going to
Squad
have
merch.
Sid Squad merch, along with Sid Squad Little Wings merch.
Yeah, and all the proceeds.
So, as we always say, we're not here to make money. We love
That's
what
right.
we do.
Yep.
We love streaming.
Yep.
We love showing you guys this.
Yep.
So, every single cent that we make as a profit from the shirts
Yes.
goes to Little Wings.
Right.
We don't make a cent out of this.
Perfect.
When can I buy one, Matt?
Give us time. So, look, maybe...
So the announcement today was today night, just to let everyone know that we do have Sid Squad merch coming.
Yes.
And we've teamed up with Little Wings Australia, based out of Bankstown.
Yeah, Bankstown and Bankstown.
So the idea is that if you guys want Sid Squad merch, we're going to make a store link available to you through all of our channels once that's up and running. And then you guys can go online and buy Sid Squad merch and go nuts. And then just know that for sure, all of the funds that you put through that merch store to purchase merch will go straight to Little Wings.
That's it.
But I would suggest that you get online and check out Little Wings Australia and read up on that charity and all of the good things that they do. And we are huge supporters of those guys here at Sid Squad, and we rate them highly. And we couldn't be more proud than teaming up with Little Wings and being able to give back to the community.
Yeah, absolutely.
And just to be able to support that charity, and basically the money that Little Wings gathers from various foundations around the country, they put into basically operating the aircraft that fly those flights for sick children all around Australia. So taking them from their regional homes in Australia to cities, to where the big hospitals are and things like that. And they do an awesome job.
Yeah.
And,
one return flight is $1,500.
So one return flight on one of those aircraft, $1,500.
Just to get one child from wherever they are
Right.
to the hospital and then back.
So we'll make sure our shirts are $1,500.
Yeah, but no, it's exciting, we've always said we're not here for the money. And,
No. I think
we wanted to do merchandise with a meaning, and that's why we're doing this. So exciting times. So this is one example of what we'll probably have.
Yeah, just an example of a bit of merch that we've got. Now, is it just going to be shirts? We're doing caps and other things?
you want to know?
Well, here we go.
All right, so we're doing caps. We're
Tell
doing
them, don't
shirts.
tell me.
We're doing caps.
Need
We're
one of
doing
those
shirts.
whiteboarding it.
Yeah,
We're doing.
me too, Nige.
We're doing. Yeah, me too. We're doing hoodies.
Oh, lovely.
And
I
we're
need a new hoodie.
also doing flip flops.
Flip flops.
Flip flops.
Aussie flip flops.
Aussie pluggers.
Thongs, pluggers.
Thongs.
Pluggers.
Double pluggers.
Yeah,
Pluggers, mate.
not double. But yeah, so we're doing that as well. So they're the 4 things that we're doing at the moment. And yeah, some will be Sid Squad only merch. Some will be Sid Squad Little Wings merch.
Yeah.
For myself, I'd feel pretty proud wearing this shirt, knowing that I'm sponsoring.
No, it's for me, it's very
100%.
humbling, and that we're really happy to be able to team up with them. And Tim actually went out to Little Wings on International Women's Day. They had an event out there, and they invited Sid Squad along. Tim was out there representing the family, and just was able to meet up with Claire,
Yep,
the
the
organizer
CEO.
or the
Yep.
CEO of Little Wings, and we've had a relationship with them already for a couple of years now, and this is our next big proud moment to be able to team up with them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Finally give our Sid Squad family some merch. I'll be hitting the store because I want merch. I need new merch.
I know.
And to be able to contribute and to put that into charity as well. So we're not making
absolutely.
anything. We don't
Yeah,
want
we
to do
don't-
that.
we
We
don't-
just
we
want
don't-
to
yep, that's it.
give it away to charity, and
We don't make a cent out of this.
that's
and
the best way that we know how we can do that.
And I know that Tim has always said that we if we're going to do merch, it has to have a meaning for it, and that's why we're doing it.
Absolutely awesome choice, guys. And seriously, you'll be getting orders from me straight away. Little Wings are a fantastic organisation, and like you guys said, we've had an association with them now for a couple of years, and they are just wonderful people doing a wonderful job for the rural people that need help. And so yeah, every dollar counts. Once they take on a child for support, they keep bringing that child to the city for their treatment for as long as that child needs it. So if they sign a child up, whether it's 2 weeks of support they need, whether it's 2 years of support they need, Little Wings is there from start to finish. They are a fantastic organisation.
Well said, Nige. Well said. Yeah, so the link is there. It's up, and I think it's there in the chat. I think Tim might have put some information there as well. And yeah, massive props to Little Wings, and yeah, Sid Squad just proud to be able to team up with Little Wings on some merch. So yeah, now the ETA, Matt. What's our ETA there?
Sorry, I was muted. So there's a few little I'm not going to say grey areas because grey areas isn't the right word, but there's just a few little things that we just need to finalise, just to ensure that we're good from a merchandise perspective, because the way in which we make this merchandise will actually have different suppliers for different regions. So, for example, Australia will have a different supplier to what America, just so we can get the merch to you sooner. Once we do go live. So
there's a couple things still to work out in the background, but
to
the
give
announcement today.
The announcement today, to give you an idea, I'm hoping by the end of April we'll have we'll be up and live.
Looking forward to it, boys.
Yeah, well done, mate. Well done.
And there's a lot of people in there saying size-wise, yeah, look, guys, there's no... I don't know what sizes it goes up to, but there's going to be no limit. So whatever our supplier can offer in size, whether that be extra small or, I don't know, 8 times
4XL.
XL. I don't know.
4XL. You need 4XL, Nigel.
4XL.
Hey.
We'll,
he gets a lot on this channel, Nigel.
Yeah, he does.
The old
does,
fella,
yeah.
4XL.
Yeah, I know,
Mate,
I know.
he cops a lot, doesn't he?
I know, exactly.
Jeez.
Yeah, so whatever size they offer, we'll be able to provide. And because there is a few different suppliers, if one doesn't and the other does, then, and everyone's welcome to...
I like that. Brian Buzzen saying fashion parade at Sheps Mound. Imagine that. We get out the old red carpet down Sheps Mound and do a bit of a fashion parade.
I thought we were talking about shirt sizes.
Yeah.